Hi, I'm Will from Tested.
I'm Norm from Tested.
Norm, today I have something in my right hand.
It's a helicopter.
It's a tiny helicopter. Oh my God.
Yeah, helicopter toys, helicopter toys. Today we have...
Did you go to the mall?
A helicopter.
Did you go to the mall?
They sell lots of those.
I always see these at the mall.
Yeah, those kiosks. The guys
never go to the
playing
mall.
with his helicopter.
He's so good.
Please buy my helicopter.
I see those guys and they're like buzzing around. They come up and they get right in your face.
And the kid runs up and the mom's like, no, 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 no. It's almost as bad as buying sunglasses. This
you don't buy
is
sunglasses at the mall?
the Griffin TC, Helo TC.
The Helo TC.
Griffin's a company that make iPhone, iPod accessories, and this is an iPod accessory.
It's hard to believe, but this is an iPhone accessory.
iPhone accessory. It's a helicopter control with the iPhone.
Say accessory, weird.
Accessory.
Yes. Okay, so first off, three sets of blades.
Okay.
Top, bottom, back.
Yes. So the top and bottom ones keep it stable. I didn't know that they actually spin in counter directions. That's
Yeah,
how
so you don't
Yeah.
have a rotor that goes this way.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it's physics.
Here's how it works. There's no battery that you need to replace on the helicopter. You need to charge it. So
It's
it
like
charges
a lithium-ion thing?
over USB.
Okay.
Plug it in. Takes about
Where's
half
the-
an hour
where's
to
the
charge.
plug hole?
Just plug right next to the power button. Turn
Oh,
it
okay.
off. Plug it in. Then you download an app. Okay. So
Hey, we had a
the app.
helicopter to use an app for.
Yeah, that was a quadricopter.
Oh, okay.
This is just a helicopter.
This is a tricopter.
The app is free in
I
the
turn
App
it on,
Store. You can turn it on. Just put it on the table. Blinking lights, no problem. And then they also recommend that you put it in airplane mode. Insert your...
So hold on.
Okay,
You
yes.
have to put the phone into airplane mode to fly the helicopter.
Ha 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 ha. From there, you actually attach it to this little control thing. So
It's a dock.
4 AAA batteries, not included.
That's a lot of batteries.
And you just slide the phone in. It just grips it.
Yeah, you could probably use like one D cell for that.
Yeah. And you also
How
have to
does
have
this connect over Bluetooth or Wi-Fi or
Neither.
or dock connector?
Nope.
USB?
Nope.
Micro SD?
Nope.
How does it plug into your iPhone?
Sound of
There's
your
only
voice.
one more port.
Yeah. It's the headphone jack.
Wow, so it's like the square for credit card reading.
Exactly. It turns
Interesting.
analog audio signals. That's why I turn the volume all the way up into some type of digital signal to send to the helicopter.
Okay, so to prepare your iPhone for helicopter flight, first airplane mode.
Yep.
So no calls,
Yep.
no texts.
Yep.
I think that's probably more for dropping signal and like bouncing out of the
Yeah,
app.
exactly.
Okay, and then the second phase is to turn the volume all the way up.
Volume all the way
No
up.
silent mode.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so having all this actually IR transmitter here, so it's just IR.
So it's not radio or anything like that to the helicopter. It's just IR, just like every other one of these small helicopters.
I've launched the app. It reminds me I have my volume up, and then it's very simple. I could swipe, and the helicopter.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
It's just floating, and now it's kind of on the ground. By default, it's in the safe mode where
I'm lifting it up.
Hover is the maximum amount of lift you can get.
Okay.
So you can hold it, and I can swipe up, and there goes.
Can we let it go?
No, let's leave it there, and then I can
Look at it fly.
left, right. And then you've kind of broken it.
Why
I
did
can
I
also
break
turn
it?
the light on and
How
off.
is that my fault?
Look, searchlight's on, off, searchlight's on, searchlight's off, searchlight's on. It is not a very stable helicopter.
You think this is a user problem or a helicopter problem?
I think it's a helicopter problem.
I would think it's a helicopter problem.
It is. So even if you just put it on the table and I, for example, just give it a little bit of power, it's still gonna go.
It's not really
fly.
taking off
Yeah, it's
much.
not gonna take off. At
You have it in
maximum,
safety mode.
It's flying backward and then.
But you have it in. It's going to get in my microphone cord.
Okay,
and Vinny's going to be really pissed.
there is an emergency button I can press and it'll just automatically.
Does that land or does it crash?
It lands it.
Okay.
It lands it. Slowly decreases the
So
power.
you had it on safety. Don't go so high mode.
Yes. If I put it on expert mode, that takes off the inertial dampeners. It takes off.
I don't think that's a real thing.
And then you can have maximum power.
Have you adjusted trim it?
Oh, and now it's going to go higher up. I should probably. I can hit the emergency button. I hit the emergency button.
Oh, my fingers.
Oh,
Ow. Ow. Stop.
Don't hurt yourself, Smith.
That was horrible.
Put it back on the table.
Look at what happened.
So as you can tell,
My finger.
it won't hurt your finger that much.
Everything's
even if you
cool.
hit
I
the
saw my
blade.
finger. Look.
These blades are actually pretty flimsy. I can see that if it bounces around, it will bounce around. The blades could get damaged. That will destabilize it. They do include extra blades for you to swap in, and it's relatively easy. Just unscrew it. They don't include the
Looks
screwdriver.
a little tiny screwdriver.
Very tiny
Like glasses
screw,
screwdriver.
and then you can replace the blades.
So how many? You have 2 sets of extra blades?
2 sets of extra blades, and also the back blade for.
Are they made of carbon fiber or anything like that, or are they just plastic?
They're just cheap plastic. There's also a mode where you can fly using the
try
tilt
that?
sensor. It is terrible. Even worse than
Really?
using the joystick.
So
here.
can you do like side to side yaw, or is it really just aim in the
Just
direction
turn
you
it.
want to go?
Aim
and then
in
go
direction
straight?
and then point forward to go forward.
Okay.
Point back to turn.
So it's using the different centrifugal force or centripetal force actually to rotate the direction, and then it uses that back to tilt forward or back.
They also have this feature called flight plans, which means you can
Okay.
record like a flight path.
Okay.
So record your actions.
So like you could buzz Tony's desk.
Given how unpredictable
Yeah.
it is, I would not recommend recording any type of
It's
flight plan.
susceptible to air currents and stuff like
Absolutely.
that in the office. Okay.
Fly it outdoors, not indoors, and don't fly it near any air vents.
And
also,
no big wind.
No dogs.
It
Not
just
dog
says, the
friendly.
picture says dachshunds, not dogs.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is the Helo
Griffin.
TC.
Yeah, Helo TC. It's $50.
Wow, really?
So-
That's how much. How much do these things normally cost?
I think it is how much they normally cost.
They're like
yeah.
20 to 30. It seems like maybe.
Yeah, they started at 100 like a few years back. Now they're much cheaper. The ones at the mall are around $50.
Yeah.
$50. I mean, it's a decent toy. It's a decent toy. I wouldn't necessarily recommend it. It's not very stable out of the box, even without crashes. But it works.
I'm going to fly this toward the camera right now.
Just your safety mode's off. Inertial dampers are off.
Up.
We'll send it off with that.
Well, that was fun. See you guys next time. I'm Will.
I'm Norm.
Bye.
Bye.